Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install chess game in laptop and PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to download and install chess game in laptop and PC. First, just click in the start icon, and then in the search bar just type Microsoft and then click on Microsoft Store. After that, in the search bar just type chess, then enter. Here you will see many different chess games. Just select the one you want. Okay, if for example this one, just click on it, the chess LV100. After that, click get. Now just wait for a few minutes for downloaded. Yeah, it's done now. After that, click play. Yeah, now it's already downloaded, and then you can just start online games or offline games, or here if you have premium member. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to download and install chess game in laptop and PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.